Bro, they have been asking how to create a wallet in-game non-stop. You gotta help them out. I've got no clue.
It's pretty easy, let me show you. Open the MemeFi app in Telegram, click on Play, and now you're in the game. Let's set up your wallet. Check the menu below, find Wallet, and click on it. You will see a welcoming page. Click on Create Wallet there.
And what's next?
Now, you can see your secret phrase or seed phrase. This part is hella important. Listen carefully and do as I say. Write down the seed phrase and keep it in a safe place offline. It's key. Copying it in notes or taking a screenshot is not safe at all. If you don't save the seed phrase, you won't be able to recover your wallet. If somebody gets access to it, they will get access to all your funds. Okay, the hard part is done. Now, click the Saved Continue button, and here's your own in-game wallet. You can withdraw and deposit funds. The wallet only supports Ethereum, OnLinea, and MemeFi tokens. To send funds to your in-game wallet, click on the Linea Network button and copy the address. You can use OKX to deposit. Follow the direct link in the app. Remember to check the correct currency, Ethereum, and the network, Linea. Then paste the wallet address and confirm the transaction. Click on the gear icon to find your seed phrase in case you'll need to recover the account in the future. You can also use the private key, which is the same thing. Remember, nobody should see your seed phrase or private key.
Okay, but what do I need the funds for?
Well, first of all, you'll need some Linea Ethereum on your balance to get transactions through. This could be, for example, the airdrop claim transaction when the MemeFi token is finally live.
So like never?
Ah, poor thing. Don't get too invested in this. It's soon, I promise. The clock is ticking. You can go to the app and tap to earn some coins, which will turn into a real token in just a bit. When tapping, you actually fight fantasy meme enemies. Each tap deals damage and you can kill them to get extra coins. Or maybe the team will decide to reward super active players with top boss levels. Who knows?
I love this feature.
Now you see that creating a wallet to collect and withdraw funds is as easy as tapping like what? 4 buttons. It's just 1/1000th of what you do daily. The key thing is security. Please pay close attention to it. And start earning now with MemeFi, link down below.